In the play area, there is a swing. The chains are of length 2.6 meter and the frame is 3 meter high. Calculate the height h when the angle between the chain and the vertical is 47 degrees. So what we have to find out, this is what we need to find out. This length over here is what we are trying to find out. Okay, if I say that this height and this height are the same, okay, this is h, they both are h. I can have this value if I can subtract something from 3 meter. And what is that something? That something is this. If I can take this length out from the 3 meter, then I'll be left with this value only. So I know the entire value, which is 3 meter. I know this length, which is 3 meter, but I do not know this one. So what we are trying to do, we are trying to find out this length first of all, only this much. In order to find out this length, I'll consider the triangle over here. This is the triangle which I'm going to consider. In this triangle, I am trying to find out this value. Let's call it x. I'm trying to find out the value of x. I have an angle which is 47 degrees. I have the hypotenuse which is 2.6 meter. The angle that I have, according to that angle, x becomes the adjacent. I have to calculate adjacent when the hypotenuse and the angle is known. The trigonometric ratio which connects adjacent with hypotenuse is cos. So I'll say cos 47 degrees is equals to adjacent upon hypotenuse. Adjacent is x, hypotenuse is 2.6. So cos 47 is 0.681, and I'll remove this 2.6 and I'll multiply this with to find out the value of x. So I'll multiply 2.6 with this. The value of x is going to be 1.77 meter. Okay, this is 1.77. X is 7.77. In order to find out the value of h, as I mentioned earlier, that in order to calculate this value, I have to take x out of 3. So in easier words, I can say I have to subtract x from 3. H is equals to 3 minus the value of x, which is 1.77. When I subtract 1.77 from 3, so h is going to be 1.23 meters.